boiler here, should have to do a blowdown on it. Should be done once a week by the customer or us if we're there. We'll come over and turn the burner controller off. On the toggle switch, this one's very simple. Just turn it off so it doesn't run. And what I do on this particular boiler is you have 2 blowdown valves. Do one at a time. So you have your main and then your control valve. Come around the back of the boiler with the camera and I'll show you more. So you want to barely crack it open, like maybe a half a turn, because you're going to get steam water, you know, close enough to steam, so 200 some degree water is going to be coming down this pipe. And instead of going straight down the drain, so it goes through this blending tank, city water is injected at the bottom, and then it goes down the floor drain. And you cannot let the steam, the water of blowdown go straight to the floor drain because you'll melt a hole in it. So you do one, you let it run for a little while, maybe 30 seconds or so. Keep an eye on the side glass over here so that you don't run the water down below the low water cutoff. And if you do, just stop the blowdown on that one. Wait a little bit, because behind us here we have the filling station. So the city water fill comes in here into this tank, and the pumps pump the water over to the boiler. And that's your condensate return tank, and it does blend, so you get condensate water with city water mixing, so you're not putting straight cold city water in a hot boiler. So we have enough water in this boiler. Now you can go over to valve number 2, and then you always want to keep an eye on your drain over here to make sure you're not, you know, coming out on the floor or anything like that. And I just did this boiler yesterday, so it's just for demonstration purposes. And while you're doing that blowdown, do the condensation station. This one's been really bad, but you gotta make sure it's off. And then you just hit the blowdown, and you see the floor drain. See how dirty that water comes out? This one was impacted with mud because they weren't blowing it down often enough. So let it run for a couple minutes. Remember, that's gonna be hot, probably 190 to 200 degrees. And there's your tech tip for the week. Have a great day. Be safe.